how to fix PUBG Mobile replay recording fail. Inside your PUBG Mobile application, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on this arrow icon over here and tap on settings. Inside your settings, you want to simply tap on controls over here. And inside your controls, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on advanced controls. Once you're inside your advanced controls, you want to simply scroll down until you see an option called lost replay over here. And inside this lost replay option over here, you want to simply turn it off over here, and by doing so you wouldn't be able to lose your replay over here. After that, if you are facing any kinds of other problems regarding your recordings, what you want to do is you want to simply make sure that your devices has the storage to store all of these recordings over here. And once you do so, you want to simply ensure, and by doing so, if you're still having problem, you want to simply restart your device once game, and you would be able to see your highlights on your profile or from that same settings as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.